Hi and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Today we're showing you 2 ways of how to make a classic grilled cheese sandwich. We were sent this beautiful homemade loaf, so it seemed only suitable to make some grilled cheese sandos for breakfast. In a pan on medium-low heat, start out with a small piece of butter that will be soaked up by the slice, and spread some more butter on the other side of the slice and top off with your choice of cheese. In our case, we used a mix of sharp cheddar and parmesan and gouda. Cover and let the steam melt the cheeses. Don't forget to also butter the inside of the other slice of toast that we're going to top off on this one. Now for the next sandwich, I'm spreading a mix of mustard and mayo on the inside of both my slices. After spreading mayo and mustard on the insides, I'm also going to be spreading mayo on the outsides of the toasts. Mayo will act just like butter and give you a nice crispy exterior, so if you don't have any butter in your kitchen, you can still use mayo and it's equally as delicious. For this sandwich, I'm going to be filling it with a good amount of shredded Emmental cheese. The key to making a really good grilled cheese sandwich is patience. Don't rush into making it if you want that perfect crisp on the outside and that warm, melty cheese pull on the inside. Now that the sandwich with butter and cheese mix is done, we're going to put the one with the mayo spread in there and cover and wait patiently for 2 or 3 minutes for the slice to crisp before flipping it on the other side. While you're waiting on your sandwich, you can make your coffee or plate some favorite pickles or have a salad on the side to enjoy whilst munching your sandwich. This is considered a very easy and simple recipe. Anyone can make this and there's no way you can mess it up, because even if you do, let's say, burn your toast, it still tastes good. And these simple steps really help elevate these simple ingredients into something with more depth and flavor. So I hope you give it a try, and as usual, have a great day from Happy Kitty Kitchen. Bye!